How hungry will they all be? As we get ready for the restart, it will be 3 laps to go on the Daytona International Speedway road course. Chase Elliott back up through the gears. Denny Hamlin. Here comes the 48. Jimmy Johnson with a good restart. Now a little shove there out of Clint Boyer to the 11.
That was a great launch for the 9 car. He is very comfortably ahead here.
Who's going to give the 11? Denny Hamlin or Jimmy Johnson? Jimmy Johnson gave. That's going to give some run to Truex. Jimmy with the block.
Yeah, Truex had to give him a little bit of room there, cut him a break.
The pusher in the corner, team sliding. That blue 17
Yeah, he's
car.
on the outside of the 19 now.
That was a good move.
Chris Buescher all the way up to 4th.
Now he's going to be on the outside. Squeeze Martin a little bit. We've seen this outside work a few times. And Chris is going to have to do everything perfect.
Chris got a little contact with the 24 there.
A little slide out of the 19 of Martin Truex Jr. He blocks the 17.
Wow, these guys are doing a great job of taking care of each other, not taking each other out.
The top 3 have separated themselves. 4th, Martin Truex Jr. Back to 5th, Chris Buescher.
Yeah, I was worried. He stayed out on old tires, but Bubba Wallace doing a wonderful job on old tires, trying to stay up here. He's done a nice job now to give him a little breathing room. Cass Gralla in the 3 right behind him. Then the 88 of Bowman and the 47 of Stenhouses. All the 32 of Corey LaJoy gets turned around.
LaJoy around, he keeps going. We stay green. Denny Hamlin looked like he was trying to close the gap between the 9 and the 11. Now they come into a braking zone.
Hey, you're right. He's right there. Denny Hamlin putting the pressure on. Chase Elliott is able to hang on to him for this lap.
2 to go from Daytona.
It hurt the exit on the 9 car, but entering turn 3 here. And both those guys do a really good job getting down to the bottom of the corner.
The biggest threat right now is overdriving the entry of the corner. There's so much speed to be had by driving into the corners on road courses deeper.
Just waiting on one of these guys to slip a tire, lock up a tire. It's another low entry for the 9 car. Denny outbrakes the 9 into the corner.
Every corner you drive off is better than him. He's pressing in hard on the braking zones.
That's the 9 car. Spotter.
That's great information, though. It's great information. It's accurate information.
Denny's pretty close. I mean, I thought the 9 car had a much better race car than the 11, but Denny's done a great job of keeping it close. And this ain't a sure thing for Chase Elliott by no means.
The key for Hamlin is to keep that pressure on.
1 lap, 3.6 miles. It's a lot of racetrack.
We saw Watkins win. It wasn't that long. Do it again. Can he make another perfect lap? He's got 1 more lap to go at Daytona. 1 lap to go, presented by Credit One Bank.
Drive off. He's burning it in all the braking zones.
Denny Hamlin is close enough. If the 9 makes a mistake, he will be there. Big arc by the 11, trying to get to the bottom of this corner, have a straight drive off. Denny really wide right there. Doesn't really lose a lot, but he's pushing as hard as he can.
Yeah, he's just searching, trying to find something different, trying to find some speed somewhere. You see Truex underneath, Johnson behind him.
The car in front of these two, will that affect Chase Elliott, the line that he chooses?
It's all going to be where they catch that car. Is it in a bad spot, or does he find a way by without an issue? Oh, that is a bad spot to get by him.
You hope he
Quinn House, yeah, he pulls over. Quinn House is going to pull over, get out of the way of this battle for the lead.
We've seen a lot of issues in turn 6 today. Very tough braking. The 9 does a nice job. Will he get a good acceleration off? There you go, Rick. 2 more chicanes to the start-finish line. Denny with a much lower exit, but that 9 car just really got out of turn 6.
Seems we see him battling for the win.
Man, Denny drove it in there.
He did.
Way more.
Gonna get beat on this exit, but Denny Hamlin with big surge there into the rear chicane.
Earlier, we heard Mario Andretti talk about history and making history. It was a historic event today. Cup Series running on the road course at Daytona for the first time ever. A big challenge out of Denny Hamlin here one last time. But trying to make history, the 9 of Chase Elliott, 3 road course wins in a row. He's going to win at Daytona.